As the debate about the Noise Abatement Act continues, entertainment promoters from Western Jamaica had their turn to voice their concerns on the matter. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang held a meeting yesterday. The National Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, has been making the rounds, meeting with stakeholders in the entertainment industry about the Noise Abatement Act. Dr. Chang telling promoters in St. James that the government is trying its best to seek common ground on this vexed issue. He described his meetings with the entertainers as an eye-opener and gave examples.
I'm told the midweek session in the corporate era, and I suspect would apply if you are allowed to do it out here, is that the big artists travel on weekends, or they participate in big events, like at mass camp. And in the week, they don't necessarily charge, but by having these sessions, artists will pass through events and create the place for contact, these small events, keep the music going. As you would say, create the right vibes, and there's a lot of creative thing. And small artists will come on, and a DJ come on and begin to build their confidence.
Dr. Chang says he agrees that not only has music evolved, but the type of events as well.
Everything we do now at Noise Abatement is based essentially on what used to be an 84 working week for Jamaicans. And I repeat that. The whole Noise Abatement Act, as I see it now, and those who are lawyers may question it, but what it evolved out of, in my view, is that it was an 84 working week. Right? 40 hours working week, 84 Monday to Friday. Weekend is more for recreation and church. And after 4 o'clock, people either do their own thing and they sleep, go to bed and get up back for work at 8 o'clock. The economy has changed dramatically. We're in Montego Bay, and this I thought was a good point to speak from. Montego Bay is a 24/7 city. The DJs say on the radio, St. James Street don't sleep, but that's all of Montego Bay.
But event promoters in St. James are faced with a double whammy. Noise abatement aside, they're restricted to regulations under the state of public emergency. It's been over a year now and business has taken a dip. The people also complain that the police rarely use discretion when locking off events.
Discretion in law enforcement personnel, whether police or other law enforcement personnel, time is wrong. Once you give law enforcement personnel discretion, you get into the charge of favoritism and corruption.
Dr. Chang was also taken to task over suggestions that entertainment events fuel crime.
And I'm saying the business people, the promotion is what caused it. I'm just saying what you're looking at is a police are going to say that if they clear the streets after certain hours, whether it is entertainment or going to work, they just tell you. So people going to work find themselves being taken up unless they go in a particular bus to work. That's the kind of thing that happens. But the state of emergency is a temporary thing.
So after meeting with the stakeholders, what next? Dr. Chang says all the varying views will be considered in arriving at a solution, hopefully one that will benefit all.